Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the appearance of the Calendar by Fantastical application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that you should click on this icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Tap on settings down below and click on appearance, which is the fourth button. In this section here you can select from two modes such as the light and dark mode, and in those categories you have three options: fantastical, light and dark in the light mode section, and the same ones in the dark section. So tap on the relevant one that you wish to use, and you just simply have to tap on the settings button in the upper left corner to go back, and it will be updated automatically, so you don't need to tap on any save buttons because it is done automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.